Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair damaged Outlook files. Now these files may be in form of OST or PST. These are files used when working with Outlook and Office 365. So this is like a backup of your mail. If you backed up your mail with Outlook and then you're unable to access the local backup of your mail again, probably because it is corrupt, then you can use 4DDIG email repair to repair that. Now all you need to do is head to your browser and then search for 4DDIG email repair. I'll also leave the link in the video description so you can click on it and it will take you to this page. Now you can see try for free and you can see buy now. So we can just click on try for free and then download. Now this tool is quite good for email repair. If you decide to buy this software, there are lots of features you would get with using a license. So you can see you can repair any corrupted file, PST or OST, any Outlook corrupted file. You can restore mail items and you are entitled to 1 month free upgrade. And you are entitled to support if you're having issues with repairing your corrupted PST or OST Outlook files. You could still go with the free trial just to try the software out to know if it is good enough before you can actually buy it. So after downloading, we can close our browser. And then open our download folder. Now let's install 4DDIG email repair. Select a language, OK. Agree to the terms, next. Successfully installed. Successfully installed. Now we can locate our corrupted OST or PST file. In my case, this is in my download folder. This is a mail backup PST and this is a mail backup OST. Now I can simply click on select file and we have the option of scanning through our drive to locate any PST or OST file. You can see my C drive and my E drive, or I can manually add the file by clicking on add file and then click on add file right here. Now select the file. In my case, this is my backup OST and PST file, and then I can click on open. Now all you need to do is click on repair and then wait for this to repair and then show you a preview of your mail repaired. So that is just how easy it is. So basically this is how to repair damaged OST or PST files using 4DDIG email repair. The link to this software will be provided in the video description, and there is also a guide on how to repair your files. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.